Full Metal Troy here, and today we're going to go through a small demo and tone demonstration of this ESP LTD M1000H-T I got about a week ago. I've been playing it a lot, and I'm really enjoying it. I don't have anything negative to say about it so far. I've just been trying to play some heavy stuff and enjoying it. So we're going to throw it on my 5150 head, which is hooked right into a Focusrite 2i2 interface and hooked directly into Cubase. And I'm not using any amp racks or pedals or preamps or anything like that. It's just straight head, and so you're going to get a chance to hear what this guitar sounds like with no effects really, other than it being not mic'd from the cab. So yeah, it's pretty interesting, and I really like the way it sounds. So I'll give it a little volume here, and you can see how quiet these pickups are, which these are active, so that's actually pretty good. Anyway, let's get to some riffing, see what this tone sounds like. So really far, it's just, it feels smooth and buttery, and I'm really digging it. Like I said before, I don't have any complaints, and I've only had it for a week, but I played a lot, and I don't have any cracks in the neck or anything like that. I wouldn't expect that, but there's not really any blemishes on it either, as far as coming from the factory and that kind of thing. So yeah, it's just been pretty nasty. Oh, the crunch is just disgusting. Anyway, should be clean, but there it is. And this isn't my first LTD. I've had 3 now, and I've never been disappointed with one of them. I'll tell you what, if I ever get the dough put together to buy an American-made ESP, it's going to happen, because I really enjoy the way that they play, and yeah, I'm just super impressed. So if you were curious about this, as far as being a metal person, somebody that wants like hardcore tone and a lot of thickness on your palm muting, I would recommend it. I mean, I can't speak for their quality control and how they all are coming out of the factory. I don't know what that's like, but this one is really tight. So anyway, stay heavy, y'all. Late.